Hi, ladies. Happy Wednesday. Or shall I say happy hump day? Middle of the week. Ready for the weekend. We are going to do a spring open house for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. What that means to you is that you will be getting 20% off store-wide Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. There will be some exclusions that are always, and that will be Brighton, Julie Voss, Hammett, our formal wear, and some merchandise that we have that's already reduced. So everything else in the store, that will include shoes, that will include jewelry, purses, clothing, all kinds of stuff. 20% off for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So today what I did is I just featured, instead of doing one brand, we've got some Ethel, we've got some Charlie B, we've got some Parsley and Sage, and we've got some Lulu B. So I'm going to show it all to you. We are going to do, you've seen these all before at some point or another. We're just going to kind of go through them sort of quickly. This is a 3/4 sleeve. It is in their puckered knit by Ethel. They do this every year, and every year it is a huge sale for us. So we really ordered lots of extra here so we can accommodate all you ladies. Ruffle neck, and it does have a side slit. The fabric content on this is going to be 95 poly, 5 spandex. In this print, at 87, I have an extra small, I have a medium, I have 2 large, make that 3 large. I have 1 extra large, and at the same price, I have an extra large. We are going to feature it with this Ethel pull-on, and this has got the cute little side slit there. Is this a crop or is this more of a capri?
Probably
Kind
like
of
a,
in between.
mm-hmm.
It's in between. It's not quite as short. Capri, what we used to think was here, but then a crop's up to here, so it's almost kind of in between. So a pull-on priced at $100 in the Celadon color. We have 2 size 8s. We have 2 10s. I have a 12 and I have a 16. Seeing as how you need 2 tops to 1 bottom, this also works beautifully with it. And this is the same style top, but in a different print. And this has got your blues, aquas, oranges with a little pop of a rose colored there. Same fabric content, priced at 87. I have 3 mediums. I have 3 large. I have 1 extra large, and I have 1 and an extra large. We are moving on to Charlie B. This is a gorgeous French terry, like a sweatshirt. Awesome, it feels great. This is the 3rd color we have had it in, and we've sold all the colors except for this one because this one hasn't been in very long. The fabric content on this one is 95 cotton and 5 spandex. She is priced at $99. And in that, I have a small, I have 2 mediums, and I have 1 piece in an extra large. Next is going to be my pants that I have on. These are the studded in a straight leg. This is a 28-inch, so it is an ankle pant. And you can see where they hit in the flare, a true button zip, a lot of nice stretch to them. They are priced at $114. I have a 4, I have 2 6s, I have 2 10s, and I have a 12. The crochet that I have on in different shades of pink. I'm sure this is going to be in cottons. Let's see. We are at 60 cotton and 40 acrylic. She is priced at $124. She also looks good with white and khaki. I have 2 mediums. I have a large and I have an extra large. I have on the medium, as well as the tank that goes under it. You can put white under it, but the pink I think just adds a little bit of color. They feel amazing, and they are a reversible tank in the fact that you can wear the V in the front or the back and the scoop front or back. It is 95 viscose, bamboo, and 5% spandex. It has a nice stretch to it, and it feels good, but it's not really clingy like all over through the body. It's like it fits through your bust, but then it kind of just hangs a little bit. So it's not really tight. So it feels really nice. They do their tanks in lots of colors in their line always. So that I have a medium, a large, and an extra large in the pink. Next, we are moving on to Parsley and Sage. This is in a cotton blouse, and I do believe it is all cotton. Like a tissue cotton, very lightweight. Is it up at the neck? Yes, it is 100% cotton. Very nice, thin cotton. Beautiful print. It is the vid, and it does have your little tucking done there. So if you have issues going on here, this is a great camo top. She's priced at $70. I have a small, I have 2 mediums, I have 2 large, I have 2 extra larges. Another piece I'm going to feature by Parsley and Sage is one of their, I call them their vintage collection, where they kind of are distressed, or they're kind of mineral washed, so you have that 3D look to them. They have a lot of work going on with stitching, with embroidery, with rickrack. Very pretty color, a nice change of a color. And this is also 100% cotton. This one is priced at $80, and in that one I have a small, I have a medium, 2 large, and an extra large. And the last thing we're going to feature is our Lulu Bee. And yes, our Lulu Bee will be included. So the outfit that you see on the end, this is going to be their new 2026 spring summer print in a tropical paradise is what it is. This is in their SPX fabric, so you know how wonderful it is. Priced at $75. I have an extra small, a small, and 2 larges left. The cardigan that I have featured there is a cardigan that they've been carrying in the line for several years, as we have been carrying it for several years. The fabric content on this one is going to be 65 viscose and 35 nylon. It's very lightweight. With any sleeveless or short sleeve dress, it is wonderful for those of you who like your arms covered. And the way it lays, it makes it nice whether you've got a long dress or if you have a shorter dress, or even with your skirts or your pants. So this one is priced at $81. And in this turquoise color, I have a medium, I have 2 large, I have and 2 extra larges. And ladies, I have this in probably 6 colors. So another great item. This is their Lulu Bee Bingaling fabric in their pant. It is an ankle pant with front pockets. It is a true pull-on. She is priced at $87. In the turquoise color, I have a 6, I have a 10, I have 2 12s, 3 12s, and I have 2, what did I say? A 6, a 10, 3 12s, and a 14.
I think it's a crop, not an ankle.
You know what? There's 2. I'm sorry. There's 2 links here. They were mixed in. I'm so sorry. They are a crop, and then they are a full length.
Yeah.
So I've got them. I'm sorry, but they're mixed in. So 2 tops to 1 bottom. This is a black background and a 3/4 sleeve in the seashell. It looks great with the pants or the capris or the crops. And this is an asymmetrical in the SPX fabric. This is priced at $83, and in that I have a small, I have 2 mediums, I have 3 extra large, 1 large, and at the same price I have it in a 1X at $83. And just in case you're interested, the little necklace here is our $24 corded necklace. So all of these will be included, as well as store-wide at the 20% off for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Also, my shoes. I know you had to notice my shoes. These are by Corky's. They Velcro in the back. Another cute little heel there. And I've had these on with dresses before. We had a cream dress, and it looks so cute. But it just makes a statement. They're priced at $70, and I have from a 6 to a 10 in those. So, as always, ladies, thanks for watching. If you do see something you like and you're out of town, we're happy to ship to you for an $8 flat rate fee. The number at the store is 336-766-7440, or you can make a direct message on email, Instagram, or Facebook. Please, ladies, help us come and celebrate our spring open house for your savings of 20% off. Have a great one.